Hello, Hedera Monkey family. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing day. Today is March the 27th. You may be wondering, why the hell is this guy recording right before he's supposed to post? And there's one simple reason. I woke up this morning to figure out that my computer actually wiped itself. So luckily, the YouTube videos were the only thing I did not save. But it's kind of a blessing in disguise because I kind of warmed up a little bit more to the mic. So mic check 1 2 1 2. So anyways, first and foremost, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that's in the Hedera Monkey community. We've just been assembling, just a collection of amazing like-minded people that want the same thing, and that's exactly why I wanted to start this project exactly how I'm starting it now. The title of this YouTube video is Starting an NFT Collection with No Team, ? A lot of you guys may be thinking, what the hell caused this guy to do this? What kind of drugs was he on? And honest to God, I ask myself the same thing every single day. It has been a crazy experience. Like, the mental exhaustion has just been out of this world. But to answer that very simple question, I feel like the reason why I wanted to do everything by myself, custom made, with no coding experience, is because I simply wanted to, build the foundation of the Hedera Monkey Origin collection. Basically, my thought process is, I build the foundation. Now I kind of want the community to help lay the bricks with me. So everybody's always thinking or asking, what's the next blue chip project? This and that. My approach to the whole NFT space right now is literally, as a collective, we just create our own blue chip project, right? So that's why with the white paper that's about to be released on either Friday or Saturday, the website and the white paper is being released. But the white paper, you will see that everything is pretty much sort of on the open-ended side. And there's a reason for that. I want you guys to build with me. I want to make this project something that is, remarkable. Because if we have so many good ideas, we hold it to a vote, and whoever, whatever that decision is, essentially wins. And everybody wants the same thing for this project, right? Everybody wants to see, floor price raise and, the best ROI type of thing, not financial advice type of stuff. Just throw in random words at you. But, basically everybody wants the same thing. So why not have this very, very simplistic approach so that everybody can achieve what they want to achieve? And, it's like, if you think about the long-term aspect of this and how we could create a solid team, a solid foundation, a solid platform with solid voices, like the what is it called? The opportunities are endless, absolutely endless. And in all honesty, that's exactly why I wanted to do everything completely by myself. This is the Origin project, or the Origin collection. So if you kind of read between the lines, there's more to come even after this collection. Now, this collection is going to be priced to sell for holders. So, it's going to be a very simple thing. It's low prices, low enough to where anybody could hold. And that's kind of the whole basis of what I'm trying to do, is create holders. Then we could all talk and communicate, see what everybody wants, and try and meet everybody's needs, right? But other than that, this video is almost approaching 5 minutes. I know everybody has a busy life. It's 2022, the year of busyness. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it nice and short. If you have continued to stay this far along in the video, I appreciate you. Make sure to drop a monkey emoji in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to enter you into a rare monkey voucher. Sorry, a super rare monkey voucher, not a rare monkey voucher, a super rare monkey voucher. Yeah, anyways, have a good day, guys. I will be back next week with another video. Like, subscribe, do all that commenting stuff for the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Have a good one.